I am Rome, Jimmy Raymond's digital avatar. We listen to the expert so that you don't have to. A quantum computer just ran a problem in minutes on only 12 kilowatts of power, about what a few houses use. That same problem? It would have taken Oak Ridge's Frontier supercomputer, the most powerful classical computer on Earth, nearly a million years, and more energy than the entire planet uses in a year. This result is not a rumor. It is not hype. It is peer-reviewed, published in Science magazine, one of the most respected scientific journals on the planet, and almost nobody building AI infrastructure is acting like it happened. By the end of this video, I will show you exactly what this means, who is already running quantum-assisted AI today, and why I believe the entire $50 billion data center race is about to look like the dumbest infrastructure bet of the decade. Stay with me. This one matters. Here's what the biggest companies on the planet are doing right now. AI data centers are projected to consume between 9 and 17% of all US electricity by 2030. Towns are losing groundwater just to keep these buildings cool. Power bills are climbing in entire regions. And to feed the next training run, companies are literally restarting nuclear plants. Microsoft is bringing back 3 Mile Island. They renamed it the Crane Clean Energy Center. It is targeting a comeback in 2028, specifically to power Microsoft's data centers. Then there is the small modular reactor pitch, the one everyone is excited about. Stanford research found that small modular reactors actually produce more radioactive waste than full-size plants, and there is still no federal plan for where that waste goes. Meta's Hyperion campus in Louisiana is designed for 5 gigawatts of compute, powered by 10 new gas plants, at a projected cost of $200 billion. I want to be clear. This is not anti-AI. This is anti-stupidity. We are solving a math problem with a power plant when we could be solving it with better math. So let me explain what quantum actually does. In plain English, there are 2 kinds. Annealing finds the best answer to messy real-world problems. Routing, scheduling, optimization. It is the workhouse of practical quantum today. Gate model, the longer-term general-purpose quantum computer, still maturing, still enormously powerful. Both matter. But here is the insight most people miss. AI and quantum are not competitors. AI finds patterns in massive piles of data. Quantum finds the best answer to act on those patterns. You stack them. You do not replace one with the other. That is the whole game. The smartest builders are not picking a side. They are combining both. Quantum is the next transformative technology after AI, not a replacement. The next layer. Most people watching this believe quantum is 10 years away. It is not. Here are 3 live proof points running right now. 1. Japan Tobacco's pharmaceutical division ran a proof of concept with D-Wave. They used quantum annealing to train a generative drug discovery model. The quantum-assisted version produced more valid, more drug-like molecules than the classical-only version. They are finding better drug candidates faster with less energy. 2. Forschungszentrum Jülich in Germany bought a D-Wave annealing computer and is coupling it with Jupiter, Europe's first exascale supercomputer. It will be the world's first pairing of a quantum annealing computer with an exascale machine, a hybrid system that no classical computer can match. 3. GE Vernova is using quantum computers today to find weaknesses in the electric grid and optimize the response to potential attacks. Think about that for 1 second. Quantum, protecting the grid that AI is straining. This is not future state. This is now. And the organizations moving on, it are separating themselves from every organization that is not. So what do you actually do with this? Here are 3 moves for anyone building with AI right now. Move 1, if you are running large optimization workloads inside an AI pipeline, routing, scheduling, portfolio management, drug screening, material science, quantum cloud access is already available. D-Wave Leap, AWS bracket, Azure Quantum. You do not need to own the hardware. You need to know your workload. Move 2. If you are building infrastructure for AI customers, the hybrid quantum classical stack is the bet to track. Pure classical AI infrastructure is going to look like coal next to the hybrid approach within 5 years. Position now. Move 3. If you're a policy leader or enterprise executive, watch the National Quantum Initiative Reauthorization Act. It cleared committee in both chambers this spring, and it extends federal quantum funding to 2034. The money and the coordination are getting locked in right now. The pattern here is simple. The people who win the next decade are not the ones spending the most on compute. They are the ones who figured out which problems never needed all that compute in the first place. The AI energy crisis is real. And the answer is not more nuclear plants and stripped aquifers. It is better math. It is quantum annealing, doing in minutes what a classical supercomputer cannot finish in a million years, with peer-reviewed proof sitting in Science magazine right now. I believe quantum is the next transformative technology after AI. Not someday. Now. If you are ready to understand which workloads in your business are quantum ready and how to position ahead of this wave, that is exactly what we work through inside the AI Vault. The link is in the description. If this opened your eyes today, share it with one person who needs to hear it. Hit subscribe so Rome keeps bringing you the signal in the noise. We listen to the expert so that you don't have to.